Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 11. In today's practice, we're going to be working on a little bit of everything in yoga, like strength, stability, flexibility, etc. So let's begin by sitting in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoni Asana, bringing our left heel close to our groin, stacking our right ankle over the left. If possible, bringing your toes in the space between your thigh and your calf muscles. Otherwise, just let it stay here. Back is nice and straight. Now bring both your hands in Chin Mudra. Your index and thumb come to touch. Chin is parallel. Close your eyes. Now notice as you breathe in, your belly moves forward, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. One more breath here. Slowly drop your chin to your chest. You're going to turn and look towards your right shoulder, bringing your chin towards your right shoulder. And as you breathe out, your chin towards your left. See if you can still, as you breathe in, pushing your belly forward. And as you breathe out, pulling your navel back towards your spine. Come back to center. You can either keep your eyes closed or open. Now as you breathe in, reach your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. As you breathe out, bring your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Prayer pose. Breathe in once more. Reach up. This time, turn and twist towards the right side. Bringing your right hand all the way towards the left. Hold on to your knee, stretch. Parshava Sukhasana. Release. Bring your hands back down. Inhale, reach up. This time, as we breathe out, we're going to fold forward. Come to a comfortable seated position. Sukhasana. Drop your head down. Breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, reach your hands up. Now we're going to turn and twist to the other side. And bringing your left hand all the way towards the right side of the room. Breathing in. And out. Hold on to your knees. Stretch. Big breath in here. And release. Swing your legs to one side. We're going to come to your tabletop from here. Arch your back. You rest below your shoulder. Knees beneath your hips. Chin, chest, gaze forward. Breathe out. And back. Once again, breath in. This time, as you breathe out, chin to chest, engage your toes, lift your knees up, come to your mountain pose. Come to Parvatasana, raise both your heels up, 1, and dropping it down. 2, raise your heels, see if you can bring, as you drop it, bring it down towards the mat. When you raise your heel, you can look at the top edge of your mat. As you drop it, trying to see if your ears can cross, like we're transitioning into downward dog. Looking at your toes. Once again, gaze forward. And back. Now slowly walk both your feet towards your palms. Breathe in. Come all the way up. Reach up. And as you breathe out, fold forward. Bend your knees deeply. Yeah. You're going to grab your foot with your index and your middle finger. Hold
Now as you breathe in, your gaze is forward, and as you breathe out, start straightening your knee, pushing your seat in the direction of the ceiling, trying to bring your thighs, pushing your hips in the direction of the ceiling, trying to bring the crown of the head in the direction of the mat, belly towards your thigh. Notice a stretch all along the back of your legs. Once again, inhale, gaze forward. From here, this time as you try and bring your abdomen towards your thigh, push the elbows towards the sides of your room. From here, start raising your seat up towards the ceiling, straightening your knee too. Keep breathing in and breathing out. It's a deep stretch. And one, release. Release your hand. Breathe in, slowly come up. Now bring your right leg to the right side of the room. Here, see that your heel and the arch of your feet, the center of the arch of your left feet is in a straight line. Reach your hand, shift your pelvis, reach down, go into your triangle pose, Trikonasana. Stretching your fingertips towards the ceiling. Your gaze can either stay there, forward, or if it's comfortable, keep looking. If you don't feel comfortable in your neck, keep looking at your toes. 2 and 1. From here, I'm going to bend my knee, stack my knee over my ankle, staying here, dropping my hands down, reaching Parshavakonasana. Stretch. Notice your left, what's happening with your left foot. If the outside edges are coming up, press it into the mat, reach and stretch. Inhale, slowly come up, come up. Now, push both your toes to the corners of the room. Stretch and reach your hands to the corners, Utthitha Parshavakonasana. If you want, heel toe in, toes towards the corner, knees in the direction of your toes. Sit back into Devi asana, goddess pose. Pushing your chest forward, elbows behind. Breathe in, breathe out, release, straighten. This time, just spin your left leg to the left side of the room. Shift your pelvis all the way towards the right side. Reach your hands out. You're going into your triangle pose, Trikonasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly come up. Bend your knee. Stack knee over your ankle and reach towards the left side of the room. Breathing in. Breathing out. 2 and 1. Come all the way up. It's totally fine if you lose balance. Come back up. Heel toe your leg in, toes pointing straight ahead. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Here. And as you breathe out, turn and just grab the outside of your right foot, completely collapsing, bringing your belly towards your thighs. 2 and 1. Inhale, come up, reach up. One last time to the other side. Breath in and breath out. Spin your legs, left leg towards the left side of the room. Now I'm going to take my right hand, my left palm on the inside of my left foot. Here, stack. Rest both your palms next to each other. and drop your pelvis and your knee onto the mat. Either toes can stay engaged or the front of your foot comes. Here we're going to a lizard pose. Stay here. Utthitha Prishtasana, gaze forward. Breathe in. And breathe out. Here, press into the mat. Lift. Walk your leg back. Shake both your legs out. This time I'm going to bring my right foot to the front of your mat. Stay here. Drop your knee. Stretch and hold. If you're dropping your knee and you're not comfortable there, you can always place a nice thick towel or a bed sheet, folded bed sheet over there to kind of cushion your knees. 2. Breathe in, trying to drop your pelvis towards the mat. Notice this is a pretty deep stretch. 2 and 1. Press. Come up. Shake your legs out. We're going to come here to a last Chaturanga. Hold your plank. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then now just spin your legs, bringing the inside of your right foot and the outside of your left foot coming into your Vasisthasana, side plank. Don't let your hips sag here. Push, stretch, breathe in, breathe out. If you want, drop your knees, sit back to stretch in Shashankasana. Knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Stretch as much as you want to. Trying to push your seat towards your heel. Come back. Again, first come into your plank. This time, press your right palm, see your shoulders. Reach into your Vasisthasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 and 1. Back. From here, come down to lying on your belly. Legs nice and wide. The inside of your feet resting on the floor or the mat. Stack your palms one over the other. Forehead on your forearms. Rest in Makarasana, crocodile pose. Stay here as long as you want to. Enjoying this moment of stillness. Noticing the sensations in your body. Breathe in and breathe out.
I hope this session was helpful. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Namaste.